Hey Tuya, close the garage door. Most of us have dreamed of a smart home, where heating, AC, and appliances work automatically, like a helpful assistant, making everything comfortable. And when needed, you can control everything from your phone or computer, even the garage doors, if you've already left for vacation and suddenly remembered you forgot to close them. And that's exactly what the Tuya T5 AI Dashboard Development Kit is for. A compact but incredibly smart board that can turn almost any old or new device into a fully smart one. We will show the complete experience of this development board, from getting started to intelligent control. You can even connect ChatGPT to automate routine tasks and control devices faster and easier than ever. What this board is and how to use it without programming skills. Let's break it down step by step. When unpacking the Tuya onboard module T5E1 IPEX, the first thing I see in the box is the touchscreen. It's a compact 2.4-inch TFT display with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. The capacitive sensor is highly sensitive and supports multi-touch, making it perfect for interactive control. Next, I take out the main component, the T5E1 IPEX module. And this is where it gets really interesting. The board features an ARM V8M Star M33F at 480 MHz, 16 MB RAM, 8 MB flash, and 640 KB SRAM. It supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth LE 5.4, and it's equipped with 2 microphones and 1 speaker for voice interaction. With 56 GPIO pins and multiple interfaces, SPI, I2C, UART, CAN, PWM, I2S, it can control relays, sensors, and motors effortlessly. The last component in the kit is the speaker. Small, 1 watt, 8 ohms, but loud enough for voice commands, notifications, and assistant feedback. This little board handles it all, from local voice commands to cloud integration with Tuya and even ChatGPT. Simply connect via USB-C, power it on, and the module is ready to go. If you want a different configuration, Tuya lets you swap modules. For example, instead of the speaker, you can connect a camera. The board supports CSI modules, perfect for video monitoring or object recognition. The screen connects via SPI, powered by 3.3 volts, and becomes your control panel. Buttons, menus, device statuses, everything displayed clearly at a glance. The whole kit is logically organized. Screen for the interface, module as the brain, speaker for voice and sound. And the best part? Even without deep programming knowledge, you can quickly create your own smart device. Let's start with the chatbot and set it up in just a couple of minutes. First, go to tuya.com, register, and open the AI Product tab. Then select Development. Here, you'll see a huge list of devices that you can connect and make smart. It could be a smart plug, a lawnmower, a coffee machine, basically anything you can imagine. The possibilities are almost endless. For this example, I'm choosing AI Companion Robot. In the Select a Smart Mode menu, I pick Tuya OS, and then in Select Solution, Desktop AI Robot. Next, we create a name and model for our product to start setting it up. Then we choose the Cloud Access model. In our case, it's T5E1 IPEX. Tuya offers a few free licenses, which is great. We'll use one of them to connect our device. A confirmation code will be sent to your email, and then we download the license list, which includes the key and UUID. The Tuya website also provides detailed descriptions of all the board's capabilities and pinouts, so you can get familiar with them in advance. But before installing the chatbot, you need to download the driver for your system: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. At first, it might seem complicated, but it's actually very simple. Tuya provides clear, step-by-step instructions that make installing drivers quick and easy. And that's the beauty of Tuya. You don't need to search for information anywhere else. It's all straightforward, even for beginners. From the list, we select the chatbot we need, download it, and then open the Tuya UART tool application. Here, we specify the path to the downloaded file, choose the correct port, and set the baud rate to 115,200. Once everything is configured, we go to the Serial tab and enter the UUID and key that we previously downloaded from the Tuya website. Then we click Start and complete the authorization. Next, we reboot the board and notice that there's still no Wi-Fi connection. That's completely normal. We first need to install the Tuya app on our tablet or smartphone and log in. After logging in, the app will automatically detect the device in your network, and the Tuya board will receive Wi-Fi access. Hello.
How can I assist you today?
Hi.
How can I help you today?
Hello and bye-bye. I make a new video project.
Best of luck with your new project. May it be a great success.
Let's move on to the next project. For this one, we don't need a speaker or display. I want to turn a simple sectional garage door into a smart door that can be opened and closed directly from a mobile phone. For this, we're using a single-channel relay module, which is connected directly to the Tuya board. For any project, you can select the appropriate pins using the detailed descriptions on the Tuya website. The connecting wires come in different types: female-female, male-male, and male-female. For convenience, I slightly extended the wires. The relay has 3 pins: IN, VCC, and GND. You need to connect them to the board in a specific order. First GND, then the power, 3.3 volts or 5 volts, and only after that the IN pin. This setup allows the Tuya board to control the relay and, as a result, open and close your garage doors from your phone. The motor for my sectional garage doors is Riterna, and as you can see, it has a special output with each pin clearly labeled. Be sure to check your motor's manual to know which pin does what. This is crucial for connecting the relay correctly. Garage door systems can vary. For example, my motor uses a single button for open, stop, and close. But some models have 2 separate buttons, which would require 2 relays and a slightly different wiring setup. As for the software, Tuya naturally supports Garage Door Opener. I decided to experiment a little and customize it. As a result, in the app, I can now open, stop, and close the doors directly from my phone. I'll tweak the settings a bit more in the future. Sometimes an error appears during opening or closing. Don't worry. This happens because my garage doors don't yet have magnetic sensors connected, so the app can't detect if the door is open. I've already run the wires, and in the future, the sensors will be connected directly to the Tuya board. Beyond this, the possibilities with this board are endless. Voice control, "Hey Tuya, open the garage door halfway." Automation scenarios, integration with other devices. There are no limits. This is just a raw example of how quickly you can solve a task without programming skills. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to buy the board on AliExpress, along with all the useful links used in today's video. Trust me, this board is worth it. It can turn almost any device into a smart one, allow you to create projects, automate your home, and even integrate ChatGPT. Check the link in the description